Today, Bio360 Europe introduces Beatriz Corceiro, Area Sales Manager of Bright Renewables.
My name is Beatriz Corceiro and I'm an Area Sales Manager at Bright Renewables, a Dutch clean tech company. At Bright Renewables, we support our customer sustainability goals with biogas upgrading, CO2 liquefaction and carbon capture technologies, easy to install, modular and all engineered and manufactured in-house. We work closely with each client to ensure that the proposed solution best fits their goals and projects. And at Bio360 Europe, I will present a practical case showing how our carbon capture and CO2 liquefaction systems can be retrofitted into bioenergy sector. The example comes from a district heating network in Austria, where we capture the CO2 from post-combustion flue gases, and in that way, not only we avoid emissions, but we also create a valuable product ready to be used in beverages, greenhouse production or even e-fuel synthesis. If you would like to learn more about this, please come join my presentation on the 11th of February. See you there!